In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami standing jack designed by Francesco Mancini. I'll also show two minor variations, one that shows you how to shape a heart and the other to imply a nose here and a wider open mouth in comparison to this one. I'll use a square sheet of paper with a side length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and the standing jack then has a height of about 4.3 centimeters or 1 3/4 of an inch and a width of 6.6 centimeters or 2 2/3 of an inch. It's best to use paper that is black and orange, of course, but for demonstration purposes, because creases are harder to see on black paper, I'm going to use paper that is orange on one side and white on the other. So let's get started. We're going to start with the white side up, or in the black and orange case, black side up. And we're going to crease the diagonals by bringing point to point. Unfold, rotate and repeat. Then bring this folded edge up so that this point meets that corner and crease. Repeat on the other side. Then flip over. Take the top layer and fold it down so that it meets this corner down here. Then take that corner and bring it to this central point. And then take that same corner and bring it to this point right here. Then unfold this section and bring this mountain fold to that crease line right here. Then take the next layer and also fold it down all the way. Bring that corner to the center again. Bring the corner down to meet with that corner. And then fold up so that the crease you're creating aligns with the other layers. Now you need to decide which kind of mouth you want. If you want this one, we're going to fold this section up and this section down. If you want this mouth with nose, we're going to take the lower section and again fold it up as before. And then we're going to lift this section and fold it behind so that we're creating a crease line along this edge right here. Like this. Hiding away that paper. And then taking this tip and folding it up. So here you can see the two different versions of the mouth and nose. Now let's continue, and now we're going to form the eyes. The eyes, by the way, you can keep like this, or you can fold them down to have an angrier looking jack. But let's concentrate on those now. First, we're going to take this tip here and bring it down to this area right here. Like that, and make a crease and repeat on the other side. Then unfold and bring the tip to this layer in the center right here. And then bring that tip up to that folded edge. Repeat on the other side. Then unfold, and now we're going to open this paper up and fold it along the existing crease line and then close it up again. So now we have this color change. And same on the other side. Open the paper up, fold it outside, and close it up again. Then we can fold down along this crease line again, and now we're going to take this section and fold it up so that this white edge right here aligns with this crease line. Like that. And then fold behind along that crease line. And repeat on the other side. Now we need to shape the jack. For this, first flip it over and then take this edge and fold it onto itself until you get this point where the different layers meet. Make a strong crease and then fold along this extra layer and make a very strong crease using your thumbnail to really strengthen the crease line. And repeat on the other side. Like this. Now, if you want this standing jack, you will then fold behind this section right here, right up to where that mouth starts, and make a crease line. And then unfold slightly, and then you have your standing jack. If you want a heart, you're going to keep that unfolded, and then fold inside these corners, one here, and one right there. And then you have your heart. And again, this is kind of the nicer one, and this is the angrier one, definitely. And this is the standing version of the jack right there. So I hope you like this model and its variations, designed by Francesco Mancini, and you can also download diagrams for this model from Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. Plus, if you like Francesco's work, visit his Flickr stream and his YouTube channel. And if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Now, how about you fold another design by Francesco Mancini following one of my tutorials? Or check out my playlist of Halloween models. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!